together for the rededication on Soldiers Memorial Avenue. We'd like very much to acknowledge our patron, the Governor of Tasmania, Her Excellency Barbara Baker AC, and Professor Chalmers for taking a walk up here today. Nice to have the neighbours drop in for a chat. And you'll notice the heavens parted and this blue sky came out when the Governor arrived. So we are blessed. But most importantly, the people of Hobart who are here and the families and friends of those men commemorated here. Thank you all for coming. I will now ask Her Excellency to come and give her address. Thank you.
Thank you very much, John. I hope you can hear me. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for inviting me to this rededication and unveiling ceremony for these restored plaques. In late June, 19 bronze plaques were stolen and 3 more severely damaged along the Soldiers Memorial Avenue. This act of thoughtlessness and vandalism brought deep sadness to many Tasmanians. The plaques, however, are priceless to the families of the soldiers they commemorate. The task of restoring and replacing the plaques was achieved through generosity and collaboration. Friends of Soldiers Memorial Avenue received financial support from many organisations and individuals. Now we join to rededicate and unveil these plaques and honour, once again, those whose names they bear and ensure that their sacrifice is never forgotten. Lest we forget.
Lest we forget.
Thank you. I'd now like to invite the Acting Lord Mayor to come and say a few words.
This site on which we stand has certainly changed over the past 2 decades. The vision and hard work of the Friends of Soldiers Memorial Avenue has been a major catalyst for the improvements we see today. Their dedication has ensured that this avenue remains a place of dignity and remembrance. That commitment to restoration has brought new life to this historic place, ensuring that the stories of those who served would not be forgotten. Today, we rededicate these plaques. We honour not only the men and women whose names are inscribed here, but the community spirit that has preserved their memory. These trees and plaques are more than markers. They are living memorials and reminders of sacrifice and peace. On behalf of the city, thank you for joining us in this act of remembrance. As we reflect, let us remember that this avenue stands as a reminder of the cost of war and the value of peace.
Okay. I would now like to invite Her Excellency to unveil a plaque for Corporal Henry Pearce at tree 173 just up behind us here.
Start of wounds, number 1, AG accident on the 13th of November 1916. Aged 33 years and 35 days.
Thank you very much.
Take your time.
Percy Herbert Harrison died on the 5th of November 1916 at the Battle of Flers, and I'm his great-grandson. Lest we forget.
Yeah.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. The going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.
Lest we forget.
Lest we forget.
So, just in conclusion, while the theft and desecration of these plaques back in June was a heinous act, it has given many people the chance to reflect on the significance of this place. As the Governor and the Acting Lord Mayor have said, the Avenue remains an important place. It is an enduring place of memory, a reminder of the terrible losses suffered by so many Tasmanian families. It is still that place today. Thank you all for coming along today. It's great to see so many of you here. Thank you, Your Excellency. We won't impose on you for Arvo tea. You did tell me the professor's no good at scones, so I'd hate to, I'd hate to be the one to say no thanks.
Lest we forget.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
60s, mate.
Cheers.
Come this way.